ক্লিক করুন অ্যাপের বেল আইকনে আর সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন এবিপি আনন্দ। সব সময় থাকুন খবরে।
All assertions that have been made to the contrary are actually untenable. My philosophy, and not after I became governor, much before that, has been to follow the pearls of wisdom of Sant Kabir. Guru Govind daun khade, kaake lagu paay, बलिहारी गुरु अपनी गोविंदियों बताए. Friends, I have a message for the media also. In difficult times, at considerable pains, you have engaged in very gainful activity. I greatly value freedom and independence of press. Any compromise of the freedom of press is dilution of democracy. Our constitution has given us freedom of speech, but what is more important is we need in these trying times to have freedom after speech. Freedom of speech is very vital, but freedom after the speech is equally critical, important, and that sustains the freedom of press. I am working in that direction and have had a meeting with the press club recently for the purpose. An independent, healthy media serves the society most effectively. Each word is important. You all here are in a great capacity as fourth pillar of Indian democracy. Before concluding, I would urge that as constitutional head, I am today raising the bar of my dialogue with the Honorable Chief Minister much above politics. In doing so, we both will be mindful of our constitutional positions and respective roles. Friends, I would take your questions. I would urge you on one particular aspect, the present education scenario. I have put quietus to it. I have put quietus to it after careful thought process, careful deliberation, talking to the Honorable Chief Minister, we both being on the same page, we both appreciate and realize the importance of education scene. As executive head of the government and as constitutional head, we both are on the same page. I am quite sure unseemly situations do justice neither to the students, nor to the universities, nor to the system we are working in. When I am putting a closer to this, I am mindful of the situation that certain things were avoidable at all levels. We have to look forward. We need not carry the baggage of yesterday that goes to the detriment of the system which we are required to promote. Other questions you are free to ask.
Sir, may I?
I'm just getting the fence off. And I'm sure we are not going to generate any heat also. We are not going to generate any heat also. Fence will be done.
Tell your name and the media.
Sir, may I?
Let the fence be open. Right. So that we know it.
Three hands are
BJP fan off to it.
Sir, may I? Sir, this is Shreyushi from Zee 24 Ghanta. My question is, after the successful dialogue with CM Madam today, do you expect your order regarding the Burdwan University will be executed? Number one question. And number two question is, after this dialogue, what kind of advice that you raised in today's dialogue to the Honorable Chief Minister Madam?
I have already requested all of you that when you bring just to an issue, you don't debate it. I'll give you an illustration. In diplomacy, if you win a point by argument, you lose the battle. On the education scenario, I do not wish to have any argument between Raj Bhavan and the government. Honorable Chief Minister and myself, you can have it as our determination that this particular segment must be above normal by either of us. And I am sure we both are committed that we do not have issues where our educational institutions are stressed, where we find a particular vice chancellor or pro-vice chancellor takes himself or herself in a crossfire. I am satisfied with the dialogue I have had with the Chief Minister. She was extremely forthcoming. She was forward-looking. We are on the same page with the same hopes and motivation, intent being very clear. Such issues, such spat is not only avoidable, should not recur. And I am sure in times to come very shortly, we will have a seamless mechanism, a mechanism which will antidote all these aspects. I can tell you, if I have a friend in the Ministry of Mamata Banerjee, it is Partho Chatterjee. I have been talking to him every second day. An extremely fine gentleman, enormously gifted. I do not wish to go into the reflections. If you have regard for someone, the best can fail on occasions, I can fail, he can fail. Therefore, the bar has been raised. Bar has been raised at a constitutional level that such issues which are very, very sensitive for students, very sensitive for vice chancellors, they are very sensitive for the system of education. If a person thinks he is accountable to two levels, he can't decide which way to go. If he goes this way, the other side takes a different kind of a look. We have to make it smooth, seamless, and I am at my optimism best that me and the Honorable Chief Minister will evolve a mechanism so that there is no stressful working by any educational institution or the Vice Chancellor, and we will have a system in place. Therefore, questions in that regard may kindly be avoided.
Sir, the second one, any advice? So the second one is that any advice that you gave to CM Madam regarding Amphan, COVID and this migrant laborers?
In last 15 days, I have had 3 telephonic conversations with the Honorable Chief Minister. I am the first servant of the state. It is my duty to stand shoulder to shoulder with the government, to serve the people of the state to the best of my capacity. She has given me some good suggestions. I am taking them forward. I know the challenge before the state, as all of you know in the media, is a gigantic challenge. It is not easy challenge. Yesterday our COVID positive number was the highest. Positive aspect is our testings are picking up incrementally. They have gone to a level. But lot needs to be done. She is working very hard. Your governor is working very hard. If our people are stranded outside anywhere in the country or outside, I am also in touch with the Ministry of External Affairs. I keep on writing to them. Some of our people are stuck up in the US, some elsewhere. I have had dialogue with all political parties. Suzan Chakravarti ji met me yesterday, briefed me thoroughly. Abdul Manan met me day before. Adil Ranjan Chaudhary called from the constituency, raised some issues. I am in touch with all of them. I am in touch with BJP. I am in touch with TMC. It is my duty to get feel of the people and work in that direction. So suggestions are there. Sharing them with the media may not be appropriate. All I can indicate is I will catalyze smooth working between center and state in the interest of the state and its people. Prime Minister's visit was a hallmark. He came without loss of time. He and the Chief Minister were on the same page. Firm commitment was held out to the people of the state of West Bengal that the central government will do all it can in close liaison with the state government to help the people. And I am sure if there are issues, me and the Honorable Chief Minister will be on the same page and do our utmost to get justice to the people of the state of West Bengal. A central team should be coming shortly. That would also assess the situation and that will be extremely helpful. I would urge the media in particular, this is a time to raise issues, the level of devastation, the suffering of the people, the state of affairs in Sundarbans. We have really suffered. So that being the situation, I am sure it will take time. It has been really unprecedented. For the first time, I am told, you people will know much better. Fury of nature, Amphan, did not change the course. Every time we heard of a cyclone coming, it changed the course and went the other way around. And we were by and large saved from the severe fury. This time, the fury was felt as never before, even in Kolkata, so that the life remained disrupted, perhaps as never before. He being the closer. Okay.
रूमा पाल एबीपी आनंदों से हैं। सर, क्या आप समझते हैं कि आपका अधिकार है ये प्रोवीसी नियुक्त करना आपका अधिकार है, क्या आप समझते हैं?
इस पूरे विषय के ऊपर मैंने पूरे घटना के ऊपर एक ढक्कन लगा दिया है और मैंने पूरी घटना के ऊपर ढक्कन लगाने से पहले बहुत चिंतन किया, बहुत मंथन किया और मुख्यमंत्री जी से बात की। मुख्यमंत्री जी के उत्साहपूर्ण रिस्पॉन्स के बाद कि उनकी चिंता इस मामले में मेरे बराबर थी या इससे ज्यादा थी, तो मैं सबसे उचित समझता हूं कि इस पूरे घटनाक्रम पर और विचार विवाद कोई फायदा करने वाला नहीं है। मैंने मामला पूरा फिलहाल माननीय मुख्यमंत्री के विवेक पर छोड़ दिया है और मैं मानकर चलता हूं कि मुख्यमंत्री जी विवेकपूर्ण तरीके से मामले पर ध्यान केंद्रित करेंगी और एक ऐसा मेथड निकालेंगी जिससे ऐसी घटना बाद में न हो और वर्तमान स्थिति का भी निराकरण हो। मुझे इसमें कोई शंका नहीं है। उनके कमिटमेंट और मेरे कमिटमेंट में लेस मात्र फर्क नहीं है। इसलिए इस विषय के ऊपर शुरू में मैंने कहा मैं अन्य कोई विचार व्यक्त करना नहीं चाहूंगा।
इससे जुड़ा एक छोटा सा सवाल है, एक छोटा सा सवाल है कि आपने कहा कि वाइस चांसलर आपके कांटेक्ट में रहे, लेकिन राज्य सरकार ऐसा नहीं चाहती है, तो अगर ऐसा नहीं होता क्या वाइस चांसलर के विरुद्ध कोई एक्शन लेंगे? बस आपका एक छोटा सा सवाल आंसर है।
मैं कह चुका हूं कि इस पूरे प्रकरण पर मैंने ढक्कन लगा दिया है। इसका निर्णय मुख्यमंत्री जी करेंगी, मेरे से परामर्श भी होगा। वी आर सेम पेज, हम रास्ता निकालेंगे। हमारा रास्ता, हमारी लाइट एक ही संकेत में होगी कि शिक्षा जगत के अंदर कोई स्ट्रेस सिचुएशन नहीं हो और इस प्रकार के हालात दोबारा कभी नहीं। इस प्रकार के हालात होना कोई भी कारण हो, कोई भी आधार हो, कोई भी कानून हो, दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। और मैं मीडिया का सपोर्ट भी चाहूंगा। हमारी एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस बहुत पुरानी है, दे आर वन ऑफ द बेस्ट। रिसेंटली उनका परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा रहा है। हम किसी भी तरीके का स्ट्रेस उस एरिया में नहीं चाहते। क्योंकि मैंने चिंतन के पश्चात एक इनिशिएटिव लेकर माननीय मुख्यमंत्री से बात की, उनका रेस्पॉन्स वॉज फार मोर एनर्जेटिक इन्वॉल्व देन आई एक्सपेक्टेड। और ऐसी हालात में मेरा कुछ भी विचार व्यक्त करना इस पर मैं समझता हूं ठीक नहीं रहेगा। Come here and speak out.
This is Shantanu Chaudhary from the Indian Express newspaper. I just want your reaction on one thing. Yesterday, Education Minister has accused you of calling up the Vice Chancellors and threatening them. So I just wanted your reaction on that. Yeah, this is Shantanu from the Indian Express. I just
You want my reaction on?
Education Minister's accusation of you calling up the Vice Chancellor and threatening overflow.
I will not go into any reflections, and you never go into the reflections of a person who is enormously gifted. And I told you, if I have a friend in the Ministry of Mamata Banerjee, he is Mr. Partho Chatterjee. He is one person. I have been talking to him on telephone every other day. And in last 1 week I have talked to him 4 times. On 3 times he was in his constituency. I told him, sir, you need to be in your constituency more. Ultimately that's a place you have to be there. Therefore, keeping in view the directional approach I have indicated, that all such issues for resolution and determination have now been taken to a level where the Honorable Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will take a call, and if need be, I'll be again in touch with her. Our joint mission, purpose, object will be to evolve a mechanism that does not upset anyone in the education system, and a repeat performance of what we have seen during last 2 days is avoided.